Dude, what's up, internet? So, today is such an exciting day because I got this box from Bloomingdale's, and I know you can't read that, but like, yeah, Bloomingdale's. And this is the new Killian fragrance Angel Share. So, I did come across a sample actually by accident through a different fragrance purchase I made on Mercari. It was just like included as part of the bundle and I didn't even like realize. And at first I was like, oh, it's called the Liquors. I don't know, I don't really like the smell of alcohol that much. I probably won't like it. And then I tried each one, and the Angel Share one was so good. And so I sprayed it on my wrist and I liked it. And then the next day I wore it and I was like, this is so good, I'm buying a full bottle, okay? And they're sold out everywhere now. Like, I almost got it on Sephora, but by the time I decided to check out, because, you know, I don't just impulsively make a $200 purchase, like, so by the time I decided to check out, it was like, this is out of stock. So I looked everywhere and only Bloomingdale's had it. So I did pay the full retail price, $195, I think, but on Bloomingdale, they had these deals where you get like a free brush set and then like 3 free beauty sample products or skincare products. So I'll see what those are when they get here. They send it as 2 shipments, but this one is Angel Share. So today I want to do an unboxing because I know a lot of people couldn't get to it, and a lot of people probably will want to look at something like this before they decide if they want to buy it. And from the sample pictures and the pictures online, it is really pretty. So even if there was like a dupe for it, I don't know if I'd want that because the packaging on this one is so good. It's like so pretty. And it does last all day. It lasts like at least 12 hours. Like, I put it on in the morning, like at 8 o'clock before I start working. And then in the evening I could still smell it like 8 o'clock in the evening. So it lasts so good. And it smells like magical apple pie with like booze in it, okay? But I did a review about the fragrance itself already, so this is more like just the unboxing. So if you want to see the fragrance review, go find that video. And the first few minutes of it are on Angel Share, but I also talk about 7 other Killian fragrances I have. So if you like this house, check it out. This is a box from Bloomingdale's. We're not here for that right now. We're here for this. It's in bubble wrap. It feels like high quality bubble wrap. That's how unboxers are, right? Like, we gotta inspect the quality of the bubble wrap. That's part of the packaging, you know. No, it's not. Anyway, this is a Bloomingdale's thing, not a Killian thing right now, so we're reviewing how Bloomingdale packages its stuff, and as you can tell, that was very secure. So if you order from Bloomingdale's, your stuff's not going to be broken when you get it. And you got their fancy Bloomingdale's paper and their fancy Bloomingdale's tape. Alright. Now we get to the Killian packaging, right? Alright. Oh, there's a, like, Bloomingdale's receipt. This is nice. Thank you. I do a budget every month, and I keep a bag with all my receipts in it. I don't care if you think that's old school, it works for me. And I enter them into Google Sheets because I'm not paying for Microsoft Office with my own personal money. And anyway, then I can access it everywhere. And this will go in my other category, as in things I didn't need to buy, but I did anyways. So I guess that's like my fun money or something. So this will probably be the only big thing that goes in that purchase category this month. So this is a box. This is Angel Share by Killian, and this part says Eau de Parfum Vaporisateur Spray. I don't know French. 50 milliliters or 1.7 fluid ounces. So a common complaint with this brand is the pricing for 1.7 fluid ounces is what other brands would charge for 3.4 fluid ounces. But you know, you're paying for the name, it's a niche brand, and it's very high quality, so that's your call if you want to pay it or not. Obviously I was okay with it. Yeah, it has the ingredients on the back and stuff, and you know, like the batch number and all that jazz. And then on the top, it's got the little K. So let's take this stuff off. Oh, and it has a Bloomingdale's little sticker. Yeah. Oh, that's a return label. Guess I can't return it once I open it. So, you know, if I didn't like it and I wanted to return it for whatever reason, I don't think that'll happen. I could just sell it on Mercari at a markup because people are scalping this right now because it's out of stock, but don't be a butthole. Don't do that. Okay, so here's the actual box. It's like this nice textured matte. So if you have another Killian box, you've already got one of the paper boxes, like the travel sets come in a white box. It's this like textured paper cardboard stuff, and yeah, it's painted matte black. It's very, very pretty. I love this. And this is a nice matte black sticker. It's got the metallic gold, and it says Angel Share by Killian on it. We've got the pretty gold up here, and yeah, it says what you get right here. And this is all one sticker on the back. And this is, it opens so cool, look. Oh my god! Yes! Dude, it's like a trophy. Like when you were a kid and you played sports and you got like trophies for like soccer or something. This is like your adult trophies. Like, I got my shit together. I have a cool adult perfume. Goals. Like, trophy to yourself, I guess. I don't know. It's so pretty. Look at this stand. Oh, it's so pretty. I think this is like the paper, but it has like a layer of gold over it. But this isn't like some cheap foil or anything. This feels nice, but if you would push it hard enough, I think you could make a dent. So, you know, don't be throwing this around your house, but I don't think any of you would. Okay, so we're gonna get to the bottle in a minute. This has really, really nice feeling foam in it. Like, it's very dense foam, not like the kind where you can see the holes in it. Like, there you go. Dude, I love this phone. This phone is the A51 Galaxy by Samsung. I was gonna get the A50, but this one, like, they were out of stock of the A50 where I went, and this one was only like 20 bucks more, and the cameras are so much better, I think. Like, they said that was the only difference, and I was gonna buy a separate camera for YouTube, but this phone is so good, and like the audio quality I think is pretty fair, so I've just been using my phone. Like, what a good purchase. Anyway, yeah, look at this nice phone. It feels nice. So it's got the circle cut out so the thing sits in it perfectly, and now I'm gonna feel bad if I get any fingerprints on this because it's like so beautiful. Okay, so this is the bottle. Moment of silence for such beauty. Cue the national anthem or something. So this is a metal plate here, and it's printed on top in white. Angel Share by Killian. It's so pretty! Okay, and I don't know if this is glass or actually crystal, but they describe it as crystal on the website. And it's got these little lines cut into it, cool patterns. I'll just like rotate it around so we can look at the patterns. Also, the liquid is like the color of booze, which is really cool. This was inspired by, I don't know my history, so please forgive me, I'm gonna describe this wrong. But you know when there was like the thing where you couldn't drink alcohol, but they still were like hush hush about it and had secret bars? I could have totally looked this up first. I want to say prohibition. I really think that's wrong. You know, the thing where you couldn't have alcohol for a while, and people got around it by having secret bars. Yeah, they had things like, these were supposed to look like, they had things that looked like decorations that were secretly hiding the alcohol in the secret bars, and this is what they looked like. Like, this is designed after that, you know what I'm saying? So, also on the top, It's got the same like fancy K pattern on the top of the lid. Can we see it? Bruh, you gonna focus? You gonna focus and do that thing that beauty YouTubers do? It doesn't work. It knows I'm not a beauty YouTuber. Dang it. You get it. Okay. This lid feels really light, actually. This might be plastic. Ooh, it smells good. I love this smell. It's so good. Okay, so bonus, if you buy this, you can smell the lid all day and not even have to use any of it and just be like, Okay, so this is the sprayer. It's nice gold metal here, and their sprayers are really high quality, so I'd imagine this is the same. Why am I imagining? Let's just try it. Didn't put anything on today because I was hoping this would be in the mail. Yeah, sprayer's nice. Oh my god, it smells so good! I love it. Okay, so this part is definitely made of some kind of glass or crystal. This is plastic, but now if you are reckless and throw it all over the place and drop it, you won't break it. But don't do that. And then on the bottom you got your little sticker that says all the details, you know, that's pretty standard. But yeah, that's what it looks like. And I am so happy with this. I do not regret this at all. In fact, I would be regretting so hard if I didn't get this, especially since it's sold out now. Like, this is a great fall winter fragrance because it's nice and warm and cozy, and it like literally smells like the best apple pie ever with like booze. So oh my god, do you know what? This would be great for Thanksgiving. People would be like, ooh, where's that pie that smells so good? And you could be like, oh, that's me. I'm tastier than all the food here. Okay, so I'll just show you how this sits in here. It's like the perfect fit, obviously. Better be perfect for $200. Okay, so yeah, you can display it like a trophy because honestly it is. Beautiful. And then when you're like, oh, don't get your disgusting germs and dirt on my perfume, put the lid on. So, and then when your friends come over, you can be like, oh. I'm gonna have way too much fun with this. I'm gonna be like, and here we have. Dude, that's gonna be the thumbnail. Can I just do this for a few minutes? If you have fuck you money, this would be a great fuck you. I just bought it because of the box. Yeah. It's Friday afternoon. I'm in a great mood, okay? Also, I got my hair cut. My bangs are like so short it's ridiculous, so I won't have to go back for like half a year. See, I saved my money on haircuts by having them cut literally all of it off, and then all the little money I saved in the bottles I recycle and stuff, I was just like, it's smart. You can say whatever you want. It's smart, okay? Today's grand prize. Oh. Bum, 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 bum. The secret formula is psych. Why would they tell you? Because then they won't make money. Okay, I'm done playing with the box. Just kidding. I'm done playing with the box on camera, but you know I'm gonna do this for another like 15 minutes. Okay. Yeah, 10 out of 10, best fragrance ever. The only one I'd say that rivals this, in my opinion, which is my opinion only, everybody different, I do like Black Phantom. It doesn't come in a box like this. It comes in the standard Killian bottle that's like a rectangle with the Achilles shield little fancy stuff on the side. You know what I'm talking about. And that one smells like coffee with booze and some like caramel, sugar, chocolate. So that one's really good. But this one and Black Phantom are my two absolute favorites from Killian. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10, and Black Phantom is at least 9 out of 10, maybe 9.5. So those are the two I would buy a full bottle of. Obviously, I already did on this one. I got the travel set of Black Phantom, so I'm not through that yet, but if I go through it, I'll buy that one in full bottle, because I like it too. But yeah, that's all I had to say. Here's this beautiful, beautiful box. That's the thumbnail. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.